So today we'll be in tradition checking out a finished home in a new community that's offering more modern designs. Recently, I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes that are move-in ready and incentives to help with closing costs and lower interest rates. So if you are looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too. So the home we're coming up to now is called the Graham, and it's their newest two-story model where the builder is offering over 3,000 square feet under air. This particular design is their contemporary elevation, which stands out with the brick accents, smooth stucco work, and double door glass entry. Since this has been announced, I've had a lot of clients interested in building this floor plan, but the builder never had a model or pictures to show for it. And keep in mind as I walk you through this home, this is just one variation of this floor plan. What really makes this home stand out, if you have the time and flexibility to wait 6 to 9 months for a build, is how customizable the floor plan is. You can have this home built as a tandem 3-car garage instead of the club room. You can wall off the flex and make the room on the left into a private bedroom and bathroom downstairs, which is a great option to have if you have an aging parent or blended multi-generational household. The foyer can open up to the second story, or you can add an extra ensuite bathroom, and you even have the option for a tub in the master if you prefer that over the spa shower. And each of their homes comes standard with concrete block construction, hurricane impact windows, and natural gas for your kitchen and water heater. They are also exclusively located in the Tradition area of Port St Lucie, which is where you'll find the Tradition Hospital, retail, new and higher rated schools, and planned future commercial development is concentrated here. With homes like this in private gated enclaves that take care of your landscaping and irrigation, internet, cable, and security alarm monitoring, and access to your community's very own private pool. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. And for homes like this, I've been able to help my clients maximize their incentives and get the best deal possible on a brand new home. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this here in Port St Lucie, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.